Hi everybody, my name is Fernanda and I'm going to tell you about how humans interact with the rest of the biosphere, how we use the resources, and how we had changed the landscape, among other topics.
The subtopics that we are going to talk about are a changing landscape, using resources wisely, biodiversity, and meeting ecological challenges. Humans affect regional and global environments through agriculture, development, and industry in ways that have an impact on the quality of Earth's natural resources, including soil, water, and the atmosphere. Ecosystem goods and services are classified either as renewable or non-renewable resources. A renewable resource can be produced or replaced by the ecosystem, while a non-renewable resource means that a natural process cannot replenish it with a reasonable amount of time. To minimize the negative impact of our actions, we can start from being part of the sustainable development, which provides for human needs while preserving the ecosystem that produces natural resources. Soil is one of our natural resources, and when it is removed by water or wind, it is called soil erosion. It is possible to minimize this phenomena through careful management of both agricultural and forestry. We can also talk about water and air pollution. The primary sources of water pollution are industrial and agricultural chemicals, residential sewage, and non-point sources. Talking about air pollution, we may say that common forms of this event include smog, acid rain, greenhouse gases, and particulates. Biodiversity exists in three levels. Ecosystem diversity, that refers to the variety of habitats, communities, and ecological processes in the biosphere. Species diversity, which refers to the number of different species in the biosphere or at a particular area. And the third one is genetic diversity, which refers to the sum total of all different forms of genetic information carried by a particular species or by all organisms on Earth. Nowadays, we are meeting ecological challenges. For example, an increment on the chlorofluorocarbons that is damaging the ozone layer, overfishing, and also, the most known, climate change, among others.
So, we can say as a conclusion that this world is too big. Biodiversity is enormous. We haven't known all the species yet. But, is that a problem? Actually, no. Actually, the real problem comes when we don't take care of our actions, when we don't use our resources wisely, because we are damaging this world. So, let's take care of what we are doing. Let's take care of our wastes, and let's make a change.